Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining this live session, which is organized by Western Overseas. So, today we'll be online on three more platforms, that is YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. So, if you have any questions related to University of Law, yes, you can put all the questions in the comment box, or you can use the chat box option we have. Thank you so much. So, we'll start the session. Hi, my name is Minakshi. I'll be facilitating today's discussion on University of Law. So today we are excited to have with us our guest, Mr. Saurav Su. He is the Business Development Manager of University of Law. Hi, sir. Thank you so much for joining this live session. Sir, you're on mute. I'm so sorry.
Good evening, Minakshi. Thank you very much for the introduction. I would like to thank all the team of Western Overseas and Mr. Pradeep Balyan. Just to let our viewers know about Western Overseas is one of our premium partners, and we work very closely with the University of Law and Western Overseas.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. We always get received a lots of support from your end in terms of training, live session, any of the things. So we really glad that you are here in this live session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Minakshi.
Thank you. So, dear students, thank you so much. Those who are watching us live, this is my request you to please share this link with your friends, colleagues, or parents if you would like to pursue your career in you. Thank you so much. So, sir, moving towards the session, we'll start the session. I would appreciate if you could commence by sharing a key information about University of Law, especially if it's like foundation year when it and the infrastructure facilities provided to the students. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so talking about the University of Law, it's an 150 years old university. It was earlier a University of Law, and then in 2006 we also had a University of Law Business School. So we are, I mean, from the name, couple of students or couple of parents obviously understand that we only have programs for law, but it's actually not the truth. The truth is we have law programs plus we have business, we have MBA, we have MBA tech leadership, we also have computer science, we also have artificial intelligence, we also have psychology. Talking about the university, we are the only university in UK right now who is giving you the employment promise. Now, talking about the employment promise, after completing your masters from University of Law, in total we have 11 programs where we are offering employment promise. In case after finishing your masters you did not get a job in 9 months, we will refund back your money. And there are no loopholes, there are no hidden terms and conditions. There are only three conditions for the student which he or she needs to complete. If they still did not find a job after completing their masters from the University of Law after 9 months, we will refund back the whole money.
Right, sir. It is very good and great news you have shared currently. So, is it mentioned on the website, sir? I mean, is there is
Yes,
an authentic thing?
it is completely mentioned on the website. All you have to do is just visit our website, go on the search icon and write employment promise, and you will have all the information. As I said earlier, there are no hidden terms and conditions. Whatever we have, it's mentioned on the website fully.
Right, sir. Right, sir. It's a very good news. So, students, this is a very good opportunities for you. In terms of employment opportunity, they are giving you a surety for the same. So, don't miss this chance and apply for University of Law. Moving towards the session, sir, we'll ask about eligibility criteria. If any scholarship is there for the international students, could you please help us on that?
Yes, so जो scholarships हमारी हैं, those starts from 500 pounds goes up to 5,000 pounds. Apart from this, any student coming to study in the University of Law will have the scholarship, regardless of state board, CBSE or ICSE. We have made the criteria in such a way, even if the student is coming up in foundation, even if the student is coming for the masters, he or she will have a definitely will have a scholarship. Talking about the eligibility criteria, the minimum criteria, the minimum percentage we need even for the state board or ICSE or CBSE board is 65%. Now, to avail the IELTS or PTE waiver, you will have to score 70% overall in CBSE and plus 90 in English. If you have 70% overall in your class 2, plus you have 90 in English, definitely you can get IELTS or PT waiver.
Perfect. This is a very nice requirement, like anyone can apply. Thank you so much. So, this is another question we have received when we talk about University of Law. I'm a student asked. So, can student apply with non-UK law degree or non-UK law backgrounds? Because,
Definitely they can.
right.
Let's say the student has done a bachelor's in hospitality or BA, Bachelor of Arts, and now he or she wants to go for master's. They can apply in Masters of Law conversion programs.
All right. That is a good
And the
option.
best part is, Meenakshi, sorry I have to cut you in between. If a student wants to become a lawyer, here is the glitch. Please, for all the students, इसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. If you have done plus 2 in India and you have a dream of becoming a lawyer, in India it will take you nearly 6 or 7 years. You'll have to complete your LLB, which is of 4 or 5 years, and then again you'll have to do your masters, which will again take another 2 or 3 years, right? So in total, if we could talk about it, will take you nearly 6 years. Now, if you come to University of Law, study your bachelor's, which is of 3 years, study your master's, which is of 1 year, you can become a solicitor, a lawyer, or a barrister in just 4 years. And few of our law programs are approved by the Bar Council of India, which means you can finish your master's, come back to India. You do not need to study law. All you have to do is clear your Bar Council of exam in India. As I said, there are a lot of programs which are approved by the Bar Council of India. So either you study in India, which will take you nearly 6 years, but if you study law with University of Law, bachelor and masters, you can finish it off in 4 years.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. Even like this is my question now here. Like if someone has completed BA, BCom degree, right, and student typically consider various post graduation options, including LLM, PGDL, and there are these kind of options. So what if the student have done BA, now they need to pursue that thing? So they do they need to pursue any other specialized course, or they can like directly opt this option, so LLM and
They need to apply for the masters or in conversion program, masters of law in conversion program.
all right. All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much for the same. And what is the entry criteria and duration if we'll talk about what are the fee structures? So as we have seen that some of the questions also we have received related to the fee structures. Could you please help on that?
So if we talk about the fee structure, if we talk about the masters, definitely let's talk about the MA Law conversion program. The fee structure is inner London is £18,000 and 18,750 pounds, and outside of London it's £15,800. Now, if we talk about early bird discount, let's just we for January intake, the early bird discount we have is till 27th of October. So student will also get £500 of extra discount. And then if we talk about the scholarship, if the student wants to study MA Law conversion with the scholarship outside London, student will have to pay £14,800, and inside London, student will have to pay nearly £17,250. So talking about the bursary, as I said earlier, starts from £500, goes up to £5,000, depends on the program to program. But the minimum scholarship definitely student will get for masters nearly 1,800, 1,700, or £2,000, £2,500, depends on the program to program again.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. And what if like how does the university support students in securing some work experience, internship, and job placement? If we talk about university programs, so how do the university programs prepare students for solicitor qualifying examination? I think it's SQE or the bar professional training course, BPTC.
Yes. So first of all, student has to finish their masters, and after masters, there are two things. Either they can go for clear the solicitor qualifying exams 1 and 2, and they go for the 2 years of work experience. They can also do the 2 years in work experience, and along with that, they can also do SQE1 and SQE2 together. These are not very hard exams. I'm again informing to all the students, these are not harsh exams. These are the normal exams just to grab a knowledge. Plus, to become a solicitor or a barrister in UK, you need a 2 years of work experience, which university will help you to get under a solicitor. Apart from that, while you are on a student visa in the UK, we will provide you with a lot of support services. Means we will help you to update your resume. We will let you know what mistakes are you doing. We will also provide you with the job data where you can apply the job, go for interviews. We will also help you to prepare for the interviews. But yes, we will not able to get you a job. We will support you to get a job. As I said earlier, we will help you to have the data in front of you. We will help you in the interviews. We will help you in the CV maintenance.
Right, sir. And can international students pursue a career in UK after graduation, sir?
Definitely they can. So 1 year masters will help the students to get 1 year PSW. But as I said, if the student is literally willing to become a lawyer or a solicitor, he or she will need to have a 2 years of work experience under a solicitor, and the University of Law will help the students to get that experience under a solicitor or a barrister. Once the 2 years of work experience is done, they can independently work as a solicitor or a barrister with the top-notch companies in UK, and the minimum wage salary they will get is £38,000 a year. And University of Law does not give you a job promise to work with the small companies. We will get you somewhere in the Deloitte, Cisco, Alibaba, Deutsche Bank. So we have empaneled all these companies. So out of top 100 law firms, we have almost 99.9% top law firms empaneled working with the University of Law.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. And what are the key specialization offered within LLM or LLB programs?
So student can definitely have a lot of options. If we talk about LLB or LLM, those are compliance and regulation, construction law, corporate governance, data protection, employment law, environmental law, immigration law, insurance law, arbitration, financial law, business law, masters of law, general legal ethics, maritime law, international business law, international commercial law. So we have all the law programs according to students' demand.
Right, sir. And if students have completed the law things, and can they practice in UK also?
They can definitely, as I told you about already, the solicitor and the barrister route, they can definitely work there. And
Right.
they probably have a more better career in the UK, because they will be earning, or they'll be working under a solicitor, with the solicitor or a barrister as well. Or if they want to come back to India, definitely the international education will help them to grow more in India as well.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. And now, last but not the least, could you please help us? Like, if there is any USPs you can share with the students, that would be helpful for them.
So USPs, if I said, students who are studying law will not be studying in the classroom only, they will be studying in the courtroom as well, just to have the environment. Plus, as I said, we are the only university in UK where we'll give you the employment promise. None of the other universities in UK will give you the employment promise, and will we give you in this written. That is the reason we have empaneled this on the website as well. Talking about the alumni, where you can get the idea why we are giving the employment promise. The top head of the Facebook is an alumni of this university. We all know the name Tony Blair, right? His wife Cherry Blair is an alumni of this university. Now the biggest part is the current mayor of London, Mr. Sadiq Khan, is an alumni of this university. So Minakshi, I guess you can have an idea what kind of university are we discussing here. It's one of the premium universities for law and business students.
Right, sir, definitely. And student, this is a golden chance for you if you need to build your career along with your studies. I don't think so any other university can help you out. This is the only university who will be give you assurance for the job. So I don't think so. You need to miss this chance to apply in this university. This is a very good university. So please rush and apply in this university. For that further information, you can contact Western Overseas also. We will align your meeting with Saurav sir. So if anything you would like to clear, any doubts on your profile related to, so yes, you can like talk to your Saurav sir for the thing. We will help you out on the thing. So sir, as per the questions we have received from Vankush, Shantanu, They are asking about the fee structure for the masters.
So fee structure, Shantanu, for the masters, if we talk about, let's say, if we talk about particularly law program of, let's say, I would prefer PG programs if we talk about, and we talk about, let's say, masters of law. Let's say we talk about masters of law and the specialization. Let's say we choose. Mm, what do you think, Minakshi? What should we choose to tell him?
About the fee structure of the masters.
Let's say we choose LLM and international business law, and we have in different campuses. But if we talk about the fee structure, I would prefer it's the fee structure is clearly. I will just tell the student international.
So meanwhile, students, I would request you to please drop your questions in the comment box. You can give assistance related to your profile. This is a best chance for you.
So fee structure for international students is 18,500, and students will get 3,000 pounds of scholarship, and they will end up paying 15,500. Outside of London, if we talk about the fee structure for masters is 17,000 pounds, and they will get 2,500 pounds of international scholarship, and they will end up paying 14,500 GBP.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. So, Shantanu, if any further questions you need to ask, and Vankosh, you need to ask any questions related to your profile, please contact Western Overseas. We'll guide you the whole process and we'll align a meeting with Saurabh sir also. If any clarification you would like to know about University of Law on your profile. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, sir, that you are here in the live session and you have guided us for University of Law programs and the other important things. So we would
Thank you
glad
very much,
and
Meenakshi. And I would also like to thank the whole team of Western Overseas for supporting the University of Law. Just to let our viewers know that Western Overseas is one of our premium partners we have in India. So if you have any inquiries related to University of Law, or in case you want to speak to me for any further information, please feel free to contact Western Overseas and they will help you to get in touch with me as well. Thank you very much, Meenakshi.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so